is Liz Mullen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked chicken with mojo. This is the ingredients for baked chicken with mojo. We need a nice whole chicken, like this size. It's any kind of chicken, doesn't really matter. You can have garlic available. You need about a couple of cloves, onion, mojo, fresh pepper, fresh Spanish ground pepper, complete season, oregano, salt, and sour orange, naranja aria. And those are the ingredients for chicken and mojo.